Hello, my name is Dr. Nancy Garcia, and I'm one of the mathematics teachers at Auburn High School. I'm going to talk to you today about the requirements and options that your student has for mathematics, starting with options for our upcoming 10th graders. You may or may not be aware that Alabama adopted a new set of mathematics standards, and there are some class changes that have occurred as a result. So even if you have recently had a student graduate from Auburn High School, some of the options and pathways have changed, and the purpose of this video is to make the options and changes clear. First, the names of the required courses have changed. Algebra 1 is now Algebra 1 with probability. Geometry is now Geometry with data analysis. And Algebra 2 with trigonometry is now Algebra 2 with statistics. So beginning this past fall of 2020, all 9th graders were scheduled for geometry with data analysis. Depending on your student's experience in 8th grade, their options for 10th grade math beginning fall 2021 will include the following. If your student completed 8th grade math and then completed geometry with data analysis in 9th grade, they are required to take Algebra 1 with probability next. If your student completed Algebra 1 in 8th grade and Geometry with data analysis in the 9th grade, they are required to take Algebra 2 with statistics next. And finally, if your student completed Algebra 1 in 8th grade and then completed both Geometry and Algebra 2 with trigonometry in the 9th grade, then they have completed the required math courses and may choose among a variety of specialized courses to earn their additional math credits required for graduation, depending on their individual goals and future plans. So to recap, if your student has completed 8th grade math and geometry with data analysis in 9th grade, they will sign up for Algebra 1 with probability. If your student completed Algebra 1 in the 8th grade, geometry with data analysis in the 9th grade, they will sign up for Algebra 2 with statistics. And if your student has completed Algebra 1 in 8th grade and then geometry and Algebra 2 with trigonometry in the 9th grade, they will sign up for a specialized course of their choice, which will be discussed in the next video. This upcoming year, we're very excited to be offering a support course for students to take with Algebra 2 with statistics. This course is called Algebra 2 with Statistics Lab Support Elective. Students who have struggled with algebraic concepts in previous courses or anticipate needing any extra support are encouraged to sign up for this lab course. It is optional. It meets every other day for 18 weeks at the same time that you will be taking your Algebra 2 with Statistics course during the same semester, and it will count as a half elective credit. Some additional concerns for upcoming 10th graders. If you did not successfully complete Geometry with data analysis in 9th grade, you must complete that course as a 10th grader. You will then have the option to take 2 math courses in a year and may take Algebra 1 with probability the following semester. Also, students that took 8th grade math and they wish to complete the calculus or an IB math course before graduating should plan to take 2 math courses during either their 10th grade or their 11th grade year. If you choose to do so during your 10th grade year, that would include Algebra 1 with probability and Algebra 2 with statistics. If you choose to do so during your 11th grade year, that would include Algebra 2 with statistics and pre-calculus. This is required in order to meet the calculus prerequisites before your senior year. In addition, if you've completed Algebra 1 in the 8th grade, you can choose to take 2 math courses in 10th grade, Algebra 2 with statistics and pre-calculus, in order to meet the calculus prerequisites by your junior year. Specialized course options after completing Algebra 2 with statistics will be discussed in the next video. Finally, just a reminder, although Algebra 2 is the last specifically required math course, students are still required to have at least 4 total math credits in order to meet graduation requirements. Please check your transcript or with your counselor to determine how many math credits you have if you are unsure.